Welcome back to Bushwhacker Kitchen. Today, we'll explore 3 DIY mods to enhance your 4x4. Whether it's performance, functionality, or personalization you seek, let's dive into DIY 4x4 upgrades. Our initial DIY modification is an incredible suspension lift kit. A lift kit is a vehicle modification that increases the ground clearance by raising the suspension and body. It's crucial for off-road enthusiasts as it allows them to navigate rough terrain with ease, preventing damage to the undercarriage, enhancing off-road capabilities, and providing better visibility on challenging trails. Use the link in our description to check any VIN number now. Roof racks are external structures attached to the roof of vehicles, designed to carry additional cargo such as luggage, sports equipment, or outdoor gear. They are essential for expanding a vehicle's storage capacity, enabling travelers to transport bulky or oversized items safely, freeing up interior space, and enhancing the overall functionality of the vehicle. LED light bars are powerful lighting devices composed of multiple light-emitting diodes, LEDs, arranged in a bar-shaped housing. They are important for vehicles as they provide intense, energy-efficient illumination. Crucial for off-road driving and nighttime visibility, they enhance safety and enable exploration in low-light conditions, making them invaluable for many outdoor enthusiasts. And there you have it, 3 cool DIY modifications to upgrade your 4x4 vehicle. Whether you're aiming for enhanced performance, added functionality, or simply want to make your rig stand out, these DIY mods are a great place to start. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, share it with your fellow 4x4 enthusiasts, and subscribe to Bushwhacker Kitchen for more DIY off-roading content. Thanks for joining us today, and until next time, happy modding!